Sticks and mallets. Some percussion instruments and drums are played with your hands. Others are played with a stick and a mallet. And still others with a stick and a hand, or a mallet and a hand. There are many types of sticks: thin or thick, long or short, small tip or big tip. They can be made of wood or plastic. A mallet is different than a stick. A mallet has a significantly bigger tip, which is called the head. The head can be made of different materials. In that way, it can produce a variety of sounds. A mallet is usually used on big drums and other kinds of percussion instruments like the xylophone or marimba. You will need some sticks and mallets to play percussion. If you don't have any, you can use alternatives like this: kitchen spoons made of plastic or wood. You can practice in a bucket. Ladles, dispenser caps with a straw from lotion bottles or shampoo bottles. Metal spoons. Plastic hangers. Chopsticks. Or cardboard cylinders. When you use your sticks and mallets, try to practice with this technique. Move your wrist. Don't move your arm. Watch. Have fun practicing and playing.